Hello, we're in Jonathan's new car. It's orange. He's getting petrol, so I want to say hi. It's very hot here. I don't really have anything else to say. I'm really hungry. It is 1:30 and I haven't eaten anything today. I don't know when we'll eat because we have to drive to Wellington today. I don't know if I said we're in Auckland, which is where we picked up the car from. This is what it looks like. There he is. We're at BP, so I would like a sausage roll, but I won't be allowed to eat that in here. So
I'll just pack it up so we can figure out the ops and stuff.
Didn't buy me lollies.
No, I've got lollies.
Oh, I guess so. What do you think of your new car?
I've driven it for like 5 minutes, so I don't know.
You don't know yet?
Yeah. I think I like it.
You think so? So our road trip is, it's not focusing. 7 hours and 44 minutes. We'll arrive at 9:22 if we don't stop at all, which is unlikely. And we're listening to My Chemical Romance.
I'm glad we brought CDs with us.
Yeah, I just messaged Zoe and said I'm glad that I took the CDs from her. I feel awkward talking to a camera in front of me. Perfect. Small in the camera, but in person it seems so big.
The pressure monitor. Oh no.
It's out of focus.
If anything, they should be going up now.
The tire pressure?
Yeah.
Why would the pressure go up?
Because they get hotter.
Oh. It looks ridiculous. I feel like I've been here before. I had cousins who we always had to visit on the other side of the harbour bridge. This is Spaghetti Junction. Did you know that? Because all the roads are like spaghetti.
I knew Spaghetti Junction existed.
I'm sure this is Spaghetti Junction. I remember my dad saying, this is Spaghetti Junction. I feel like he drove through it to get to work, maybe. I should probably pause that. How do you... I don't know how to pause it, so I'll just turn it all the way down. We are in Pepakura, where I grew up, so that's funny. We've made it about like 20 minutes because the car came up with a warning saying that there was low tyre pressure. So Jonathan is checking the tyre pressure at a BP. That's what's happening. It's funny because I grew up here, so I recognise some stuff. Kind of. It's not a very interesting view. Did you?
Was at 15 feet, so.
Is that bad?
Yeah. And I'm gonna park up. There's a business that looks shut, so I'm gonna
Okay.
And I need to figure out how to reset the
Have lunch.
TPMS monitor.
The what?
The TPMS. I need to figure out how to reset it.
I don't know what the TPMS is.
Tyre pressure. Because on European cars, you have to reset it.
That dinging is so annoying. What is the PSI supposed to be?
30.
And it was 15.
Yeah.
That does sound bad.
Yes, yes. Yay! Fixed it.
Yay! Why does the music stay on when you turn the car off?
That's fine.
Really? That's crazy. So because the key's still in here.
Yeah.
Just
Grab my food.
Okay. Why does that look better in person than on camera?
It always does.
At the roundabout, take the third exit onto Rifle Range Road.
You thought you were?
No, I wasn't paying attention at all.
Oh. Okay there?
Just don't like it.
In 1.2 kilometres, turn right onto Rifle Range Road.
This seems kind of random. Like this area.
Not sure if I took a third exit or the second exit. I'm sure it said Rifle Range Road.
Yeah, it did.
Thing's so big you can't see around it. Like,
Yeah.
and you see it, you can't just painted it. Reduce speed.
Why? Because it thinks we're going too fast, but we're not. Quite pretty out here.
This would have been a great road to drive if I didn't have that thing in front of me.
Yeah. I swear there's way more overtaking lanes where we are. Bullstone in the sound of children. This is warm.
I'll tell you in a second. We are on Torahanga.
Oh, Torahanga. I don't know where that is. It's not me. It's blurry.
It's raw.
It's entirely blurry. Cool. Cool, 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 cool.
Today, look who stopped by. It's only watermarks on you guys. It's me.
Where are we? Why can't you? It's a very long name, isn't
Oh, that was sun-wide tyres. Hell yeah! I love shit.
it? Ew, those trains look disgusting.
Yeah.
You know why we didn't remember this song? Because it's boring.
I think by the time we get back, I'm gonna have the world's most swole forearm.
From how heavy the steering wheel is. Can't see how sweaty you are on camera. It's hidden.
Sam.
I can't see it anymore.
Oh, we'll see. Oh, that one's cool too.
So small on the Oh, there's a whole lot of vegetables. Terrifying. It's a cool playground.
Hi.
Jonathan's taking pictures of his car. We are in Auckland, Ohakuni, and there's a big carrot. We're like, I think just over halfway to where we're going. I'm hungry. It's 10 to 7.
There's crap underneath. One of the undertrays is all like broken. I'll take it off. It's useless anyway.
Did you want to take pictures?
Yeah.
I don't need to pee. Hi. I'm very no thoughts head empty right now. I don't know what we're going to have for dinner, because we're not going to get to Wellington until 10 o'clock, so by then everything will be shut. And I don't really know what other... I don't think there are any major towns between here and there that would sell food. It's like easy. So... Zoom zoom.
Yeah.
Oh.
Dad says we've been making good time apparently. Should tell him, oh no, actually we got stuck behind an aqua doing 80 k's an hour.
It doesn't feel like we're making good time. Mum messaged me saying, where are you guys staying? So I think maybe she's a bit worried about how long we're going for.
That's cool.
The barbecues. Yeah.
It'd be a really cool place to come on holiday.
It would actually. You just have to go through the middle of nowhere to get here. And we're like in a different island. Can you imagine how much effort it would take us to come on holiday here? Which one's baby?
Not the white one, that one's creepy. Got it.
One screen looks really bad.
Yeah, it is really bad.
I feel like it looks darker in real life than in the camera. last night. I just wanted to say hello. I don't really have anything to say. That's my update. They were in Wellington. I'll show you the view out the window. That's the ocean harbour to the ocean. Okay, great description. Today we're just exploring Wellington because I've never been here before, so might go to the museum and I want to get a coffee, and that's about as far as I have thought about what we're gonna do. My nose stud fell out yesterday while we were packing, and I had to replace it with the only one I had, and it's like way smaller, and it just feels really weird in my nose. I got foundation all on this, like, I don't know how that happened. I can see a little bit of here. I can see a lot of there as well, makes my makeup look good. Fuck. I think my skin looks okay, but I'm gonna make more red today, because that's what my concealer hides. Fucked it up. Yeah, I didn't bring any cotton buds with me. I don't think they match. I mean, mascara on my eyelid. There's my makeup. It's really cool in here. There you go. This is what I look like today. Oh, I need to cut my fringe again. Too long. That's an interesting house. Really? Wait, sorry, I'm trying to film this dog. Look how far out he's going. Are we going to throw the stick for him? Oh, he's coming back. What? I didn't know you could get down there.
Once you more the boats, how do you get back to shore?
You must have little boats to help you get there. Oh, there's a good dog. I've never had an oat latte, so hopefully it's good. It's yummy. Looks cool with the shadow.
They've got like all up on the roof. All birds flying around.
Yeah. Oh goody.
Can't wait.
Where does the water come from? Or did they put the water in?
Possibly.
Oh, there's a boat going. They're waving.
So cool.
Portraits are cool. Oh, touching. It looks cool with the clouds. That reminds me of Brisbane, Melbourne. Is it?
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
We're going to Parliament.
Parliament.
That's where bloody Jacinda is. I saw a meme on Facebook that said, "Welcome to Millstown" or something. This is where Jacinda is from. We're sorry.
Yeah, I saw that. From Dunedin.
I hate people. That road is called Kate Shepherd. Wasn't she the woman's suffrage person? He's taking pictures of his car. Like a lame person. They're getting married up there. Oh, kind of random. Very patriarchal too. You know? Who's that? Some white guy. Was he the first Prime Minister or something? You see it?
Mm-hmm.
thumbnail. We went to the beehive.
They're so interesting.
It's cool. Do you see the sign? It says they have a shop.
Hmm.
Do you want to look at it?
Yeah, if it's open.
Yeah?
I can't believe that people camped here.
Yeah. Like right here. It's a very small area to camp in, and there were like hundreds of them. Weirdos. Here.
Shuts at 4:30.
Oh. It is 4:22. Security screening.
That's cool.
Please a hand in for scanning.
I guess they don't want anyone trying to Guy Fawkes the beehive.
Look at the sign. Is it alive up there? Very small.
There's another one.
That's funny.
They have nipple lights.
You can't really see in the window.
Nipple lights.
Nipple lights, they do have nipple lights. It's just one of these chairs facing the window. Oh. It's quite a spooky little tunnel. Occupied since 1918, this building was opened by Her Majesty the Queen. She's dead now. That's weird the Queen was here. I like the texture on those poles. This Regicinda spends all her day. Oh, there's the beehive. It's so... I guess because you call it a beehive, you like romanticize what it looks like, I think. But when you actually look at it, it's really ugly. Like, who decided all those lines on it was good? Why not just have
Probably
windows? Yeah. Oh, Kate Shepherd Apartments. I wonder who named that after her.
Yeah, I wonder how she feel about that. I'm tired. I'm less tired now than I was before.
That's good.
Doesn't bode well for plans of having a nap.
That's crazy to think people were just camping here. I kind of recognise it from that video. Like someone came through these gates and they're like, you're not allowed in here. Even though the whole point was that they were allowed there. Good morning. Sorry if I look like great. It is 7:44. Not 7:44, 6:44 on Monday. We're getting up really early because we have to be on the ferry at 7:45, an hour from now, and then we're going to the South Island. I just wanted, so that's what we're doing this morning. I just wanted to also say about yesterday. I had fun at the museum. I was just thinking about it while I was like lying in bed waiting to get up. It's really interesting with New Zealand history because in high school you always learn about early settlers and like how hard they worked and how good it was. And then in the museum there was quite a lot about the environment and how much people who moved here ruined the environment, and they just like hazed the whole country in like fire and cut down every big tree because it was profitable to do that at the time and didn't think long term, and then like just brought whatever animal they wanted. Like we went through the section that was all about these birds, and then you pushed the little button and it came up to tell you whether it was extinct or not. And like so many animals that used to be in New Zealand are extinct. Like the Maori, for example, the Maori killed it because they ate too much of it, but lots of other things died because of animal seed that got introduced, and it's just like so insane to me, like how idiotic. Like it seems so logical, obviously, because it wasn't. And there was like a section on introduced animals, and it was like, James Cook let boars loose in Marlborough Bay. They thrived. And it's like clearly not a good thing to do, because so many native animals died, and then they also just bring in like ducks and stoats and rabbits and stuff just for fun so that they could have something to shoot at. But then they kill the native stuff, and it's just like how self-righteous you have to be to find a country and then just be like, I'm gonna put whatever I want here and I'm gonna pull down all the trees, and you have no knowledge of what that place is like. It's just really like, that's the impression I got from the museum, was that like humans messed up New Zealand. But in school it's very much colonialism is good. And the Treaty of Waitangi is good, and then the display of the Treaty of Waitangi is clearly stating the Maori version said different things to the English version. That's obviously a bad thing, but it's never explained in school. It's just, maybe it's gonna change now, but at least that's what it was like when I was in school, and it's just crazy. This is just whitewashing in like the past. Anyway, that was my political rant. You're welcome. Jonathan's in the shower. Wellington was pretty cool. I would come back here again. We only had time for the museum yesterday really, and then we were really tired, so we went out for dinner. It was very fancy and yum. So yeah, another day of travel. So today we're taking the ferry to Picton, which is at the top of the South Island. It should take 4 hours apparently, and then we're driving to Christchurch, which I think that takes 4 hours as well, but that won't be as bad hopefully. Baby. In check, raining land.
That sun is killer.
Yeah.
So bad. I'll use my hat.
Interesting method.
Hey, it's working. It was disgusting before. Filthy. Actually like seeing where I'm driving.
There, is that the boat? Over there?
Bolt, yeah. Do you want to clean your window as well?
Yeah, I don't know if it's on the inside or the outside.
It'll be on the inside. All the windows have like this film of crap on them.
Yeah.
Interior.
It's really
Stuck on there? Yeah. Oh. I didn't think it would be that bad when I gave you my beanie. Okay. My beanie.
Alright, Effie.
Oh, I'll still wear it.
But only the outside. Really? We brought so much food with us, and now we have these food vouchers as well. I think we'll see any dolphins.
Thank you. Cheers.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, this one's way nicer to get onto than the other one.
It's so big. I hate boats. Like, it's just fucked up things happen on boats. Jeez.
That didn't sound very good.
No, it did not.
I thought we'd be fine. It's probably the underside of it.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. He's looking at his car because he thinks you broke it. That's okay.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is the captain speaking. I'd like to welcome you all on board for Kaitaki's morning sailing to Wellington. Access to the vehicle decks is not permitted during the crossing. So, once again, and on behalf of the
We are approaching the berth. We ask that passengers remain seated.
Tracking them moving, but it's not focusing.
Trying to see how did you get this off?
Pull backwards, like find the join and then pull up.
This bit.
No, flip it, twist it.
Flip it and twist it. Off it?
Off it, yeah.
No one even saw me wearing it. Smells weird. Ow. Ah. That surprised me. It's so hot here. My watch says it's 20 degrees.
Yeah.
That's very hot for
It's
that.
the hottest it's been like in recent memory anywhere.
Yeah.
I was expecting it to be cold, and I was like, oh, we can use the heaters.
Oh. If they're telling them to go down somewhere, they must be there.
Yeah, and see where
Dogs. You tired?
Yeah.
Am I gonna drive?
If you
Welcome to the South Island to Waipanda. Doesn't pound now mean something, or am I thinking of something else?
We can't wait to get you on the road again. Righto, where we are going.
Starting route to Blenheim.
Picton looks kind of nice. Like, considering that it's Picton. And I thought literally nothing was here. It's Blenheim. It already says Christchurch. Remember how long the sign said to take? Well, it said took to say Wellington.
No, they're doing 70. That's 10k too slow. Can't believe it. We found the vehicle slower than the offer.
Yeah. Springs. Have you ever been there? They're hot pools. Never went to Hamner Springs as a child. We should go one day. Zoe was talking about doing a road trip there.
And the undertray rubbing along. Didn't want something to blow out the window. Oh, does the window have to be down? This, only this one. So much shit to blow away.
Bloody BMW. What was that?
Sounds like the police.
Weird.
I don't know. Someone was turning at me.
We're accelerating through a tunnel. Did you break the speed limit?
No.
Well then, I was probably accelerating through a tunnel.
What's the speed limit?
I assume 100. Right away, isn't it? What is that? An art installation?
He's with his family. He didn't say his wife and 4 kids.